Alright, what's going on, guys? Hope everybody's doing good. It's a beautiful day out today. Just wanted to give you guys another quick little update here. Got some cool stuff for the bike. I got some nice Magura. They're MT5, but I got the E-Stop model this time. Supposed to be a little bit beefier, a little bit better clamping force. It's got the nice aluminum clamp on there and the aluminum lever blade with it. I kind of think I like the feel of their Carbotecture lever blade more than that. But yeah, I got that. And then I got these, here, check these things out. Got these angled washers here, right? And I'm going to use them to set the angle on that seat so I can get that a little better. I'll give you guys an idea of the angle of that. You can see it goes forward just a little bit. So my plan is we're gonna take these and we're just gonna shave them down until we get the angle we want. What I want to show you guys here today is this. Now, if you guys are here familiar with my motorized bicycle videos, you might recognize what this could be from. This is the spring from the throttle linkage on the Phatmoto. Yeah, this clips into here and then comes over to this other side of the throttle linkage, and that pulls it back into place when you're riding. Because now if I pull the throttle, you can see it just kind of sits there. It's not returning properly. You know, simple. Not a big issue by any means, but yeah. Neighbor wants me to fix it for him, so I'll take care of that. I'm gonna bring this thing inside and then I'll bring you guys back. It's a Phatmoto, it's a Phatmoto, it's a Phatmoto Rover bike. Yeah. Woo! Here's the good old Phatmoto bike. And I was rolling around in here, kick this stand back. And you could hear, of course now it's not gonna do it. Yeah, there we go. She's got a few squeaks and it feels like maybe the headset is loose. So I'll have to tighten the forks up in there. We'll check the brakes over again. That's squeaking, maybe it just needs a cleanup. Yeah, we'll get out with this thing. We'll get this all dialed in. Damn you, Joby. This Joby tripod thing sucks. Looks like it's built nice, it all feels quality, but when you actually go to use it, it sucks. I digress. We'll get out, we'll fix this bike up, we'll get everything in decent working order, and we'll get out and go for a ride. What do you say we hit some trails this time? Oh, hell yeah, brother. Woo! Alright guys, so this is really the only piece we have to focus on here, just this little spring from out of the throttle linkage. Sorry about that light. And what we'll do, we'll just take our needle nose here, and we're just gonna put a little bend on the end. Just enough to hook in there. Just like so. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, there we go. That's all done up. I had to stretch that spring out quite a bit to get it to, you know, go back into place there. I think I have the throttle back to a pretty decent tension there. There must have been a pretty sizable piece that snapped off of that. So, yeah, we'll have to try and find a replacement for him. I'm gonna tune this front brake up real quick. I think it just needs to be realigned real fast. Then we'll go out and we'll take a ride, alright? 1 segundo. I figured out why the front brake was squeaking too. He had the barrel adjuster here just all the way out. All the way out. She was just clamped down right on the wheel. So I think we got everything adjusted good. We got nice lever travel there. Should be comfortable. I mean, things are a little squishy, but I mean, cheap brake lines, you know, Chinese generic parts and all that, you can't really ask for Magura level performance. You know, like we got on the old, easy does it there, fella. Like we got on the old e-bike. All right, we're good to go here. I'm gonna go grab the old chest rig for this thing and we'll go out for a spin. Let's get some Phatmoto action. Are you ready to rumble? Go Phatmoto. Let's take it down the tracks. See what she can do or can't do. If I'm being honest, this is probably the first time this bike's ever seen dirt. Like I said though, I got no real hate for this bike. It's a fun little machine. I know I talk shit on it, but it's fun. Boy, you can tell this thing has road-going air pressure in the tires. This is rough. I think they were at like 40 PSI. Yeah, like, you know, this thing is... Thing's not that bad, right? And I'd love to try out their new, like the fat tire version of this bike. I'm sure that would be a lot more fun riding on stuff like this. But, you know, if the price were a little better, maybe. Because, I mean, is it fun? Yeah. Is it $1,200 worth of fun? No. Not even close. Well, I shouldn't say not even close. It is fun. Oh shit, there's definitely something burning up in the mountains. Get rid of beans, boys! Now bear in mind, this thing is, this thing is bone stock. You know, all I did was remove the governor on it. You know, it's a fun little machine. It's a rowdy little bike for what it is. Like, it could get down. It could party. Alright, that's enough. I don't want to be beating on his bike. That's not nice. We'll take an easy ride back. Like, the suspension doesn't soak up anything. Like, it doesn't even pretend to. Like I said, though, we'll take it easy on the way back. Because the bike is, it's capable of it. For the most part. The wheels aren't the greatest. Oh, actually, no, I take that back. The rims are actually pretty solid. And this is a decent speed to cruise around, have some fun. You know what I mean? Have fun for a couple hours on like $5 worth of gas. Tell you what though, you don't realize how spoiled you are by a full suspension bike until you're not riding one. Like usually I could just coast right through here, not feel a thing. Now it's like I'm sitting on a jackhammer. Because the stock seat isn't anything illustrious. What's going on, man? She a big girl. See, now I feel like a dweeb being out riding this thing. Oh, God, that's rough. Yeah, that's not bad, man. We're cruising along at like 20, 25 mile an hour, no problem. If this were my bike, I'd definitely get a little more rowdy with it, but I don't want to break anything on Miguel. there you have it. The Phatmoto. Do I need to adjust that idle? Nah, it sounds fine to me. Considering it's nice and hot now. Yeah, that's good. Hope you enjoyed that video. Another little ride out so you can see what the Phatmoto's capable of. I tell you what, I really would like to try one of the newer, take these stupid glasses off, one of the newer, the fat tire models with, you know, like the nice cargo racks on them and everything. I think that'd be pretty cool. You know, nice beefy, like 3.5, 4-inch wide tires, whatever that comes on them. And the engine, you know what I mean? It's just, it's all right. It's just, it's okay. You know what I mean? It's nothing special. It gets you around. I mean, you just saw the video. It could get down. And like I said, if it had, the only thing I would upgrade really first and foremost is these forks. These things are rough. Better forks, maybe a better seat, but there's really no compensating for just, you know, a hardtail bike on trails. So yeah, guys, if you like the video and you want to see more stuff like this, I'm actually thinking about building another motorized bike. I don't know if I'm going to go 2-stroke or 4-stroke. Probably 2-stroke, just because it's more fun. The 4-stroke bikes, I think, are a little more fun and just user-friendly overall, but the 2-strokes are just, they're more fun. And who doesn't like the sound of a well-tuned 2-stroke? I mean, really. 200 main, 25 pilot, and the needle is in the middle position. But I got all these, I don't know if you'll be able to see under here right now, but I have all these boxes with just, yeah, there you go, you can see that. All these parts, just CDIs. I think there's a PW80 CDI in here somewhere. I was planning on putting that on my MXS bike before I sold all that off, but yeah, I mean, look at all this crap. I just got case pieces, botched attempts at porting from when I was first getting started into this stuff. What is this, the GTZ jug? Yeah, this is the original first run of the GTZ jugs from California Motorbikes. Ported for Reed. Just trenched out real quick. I don't know, maybe it'll run good. We'll see one of these days. Yeah, I just got all these case pieces. I think really the main thing I need is a crank, but that's not hard to source. I could definitely get some of that through the old Facebook group that I, well, can't really say I run anymore. I am still an admin there. If that counts for much of anything, I am still an admin. It's called Mother's Best Motorized Bikes. I highly recommend you go check it out if you're into these bikes. Bunch of really cool guys there. Great, just a plethora of information for you to take in. So yeah, if you enjoy these bikes, you enjoy the hobby, you want to meet some cool new people that are all about this, check it out. I'll put a link in the description below. So alright, I'm not going to ramble on anymore, guys. I'm going to cut out of here. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that nonsense. So yeah, catch you next time. Peace.